Unlock your crypto wealth. Today, we are showing you how to withdraw from a Watch-only wallet on Trust Wallet, step by step. A Watch-only wallet lets you watch funds, but you can't move them as you don't have the private keys within the app. In your Watch-only wallet, the send or withdraw buttons are missing or disabled. Locate where you safely stored your private keys or seed phrase corresponding to the address you are watching. Go back to the main wallet screen and tap the plus sign to add or import a wallet. Choose I already have a wallet to import using your seed phrase or private key. Select the correct type of wallet that corresponds to the cryptocurrency you are withdrawing. Enter your 12 or 24-word recovery phrase carefully and accurately. Create a wallet name for your convenience. The imported wallet should show the correct balance and the send button is enabled. Tap send, enter the recipient address, amount, and pay attention to the network fee. Tap the send or confirm button. Your transaction will show as pending then completed. You have successfully withdrawn. Keep your seed phrase safe.